In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a list in Constant Contact. If you've found yourself needing to tidy up your contact lists, or perhaps you've made a list that's no longer necessary, this tutorial is here to help. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Constant Contact, the process is straightforward and quick. Let's dive in and see how you can manage and clean up your contacts efficiently. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to constantcontact.com. This is where you'll begin your journey to streamline your contact management. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, simply enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Constant Contact dashboard, which is the hub for all your email marketing needs. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Contacts tab. You can find this easily on the top menu bar. Click on Contacts to access a detailed view of all your lists and individual contacts. This area is designed to give you complete control over how you manage and organize your audience. Now focus on the list you want to delete. Browse through your list and select the one you no longer need. Once you've found it, you'll see a checkbox next to each contact within the list. Click on the checkbox to select the contact or contacts you wish to remove. If you aim to delete the entire list, ensure all contacts within that list are selected. This step ensures that you're targeting the right group of contacts for deletion. With your contacts selected, look for the Actions drop-down menu. This menu provides several options for managing your contacts. Click on Actions and a list of options will appear. From this list, choose Delete. A prompt might appear asking for confirmation, which is typical to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm your choice, and the selected contacts will be removed from the list, effectively deleting the list itself if all contacts are selected. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a list in Constant Contact. Remember, managing your contact list is crucial for effective email marketing. It helps ensure that your communications are always relevant and targeted. Regularly updating and cleaning your list can also improve your engagement rates and overall campaign performance. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Constant Contact support resources are available to guide you through the more complex tasks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy emailing!